Good morning, babies.
Hi, I'm Admiral Tim.
And I'm Felicia. Thanks for checking out our socials.
Felicia, what do you do that makes you fabulous?
Tim, I know you know.
Well, duh, besides that, but you should probably keep it a little PG for the people at home.
We used to buy a lot of stuff on Etsy, and then we decided we wanted to learn how to do it ourselves.
Then we started to invent our own masterpieces like these.
And we also demonstrate new products and teach people how to use all of our crafting machines. Like Cricut cutting machines, like Eon, and we create laser engravers, Brother and other embroidery machines. And we're even fooling around with DTF and sublimation printers.
We're also working on trimming your costs.
Wow, Tim, or Fresh, or whatever your name is today, that is definitely a little bit out there.
A little, a lot, but that's what makes us so funnish.
What? Is funnish even a word?
Yes, my dude, I even made a t-shirt with your Cricut that says it.
Please like, follow, subscribe, and comment.
Or complain about me, flame, whatever, I love it.
So we can continue to help you learn to use all of these amazing machines. Let's craft together. Thanks for watching.